Do fish know that they're swimming in water? Well, do you know that you swim in an abundance of resources to help you be successful in business and in life? One of those resources is time. My name is Robyn Mons, and I am the life coach at Universal Accounting Center. And at Growcon, I'm going to be talking about time management. I have found in my coaching that many people struggle with this. They are overscheduled, overworked, overcommitted, and as a result, they are overstressed about their lives and how they're spending their time. Now, isn't that why we go into business for ourselves? So that we can have more freedom of time and to spend it in a way that matters to us? I'm going to be talking about the mental and emotional discipline of time management. It's not going to be another app or another color coding system. We're going to get to the true cause of our time problems and the true solutions. I'm going to teach you the mental and emotional skills to be able to see the abundance of it and to be able to make decisions that help you bring your highest contributions to your business and in your personal life and truly give you the freedom of time that you desire. I'll see you there.